This tutorial is getting started with Kaizena on Google Docs. Kaizena is an add-on, so we will go to the add-ons menu. If you don't already have it, you can get it at Get Add-ons. I've already loaded it here, so I'm going to Kaizena, open Kaizena, and it will open the window to the right. We'll be talking about the types of comments today. The first type is a voice message. So I'll click on the button right here, and I'm going to add a general voice message not associated with any text. This is an example of a general voice message. Now I put stop and post, and it uploads for a moment, and then it will click up here, or it will show up here. You can play it back. You can press on these three buttons if you want to remove it, or if you're replying to another student's, or if you want to save it as a lesson. More on that later. The next type is also a voice message, but this is a voice message that is attached to a highlight. So I'm highlighting the first sentence in this document, and it shows up in green. You have choices. The green is the default, but I'm going to go ahead and add a voice message. As you see, the text is here, but I'm going to add a voice one to go with it. And when I press record, I'm just going to use it as a text-to-speech for the purposes of this example. Born in Alabama in 1940, John Lewis grew up in an era of racial segregation. This time, when it shows up here, it will continue to have this green highlighted text as well as the voice message. Again, you can play it back, you can edit the highlight, and you can reply, remove, or save as lesson. The next type is a skill. A skill is sort of like a rubric. So in this case, I pre-created a skill on including an image and citation. So I'm going to highlight on my image, press on skill, search for my skill, which is image citation, and click on it. Now I have to choose. These are the level in my rubric. Not done at all, done to perfection. In this case, the image was included, but the citation wasn't. Since see, it says includes an image, but does not cite it. If I forget what they are, I can always toggle back and forth to see which one I want. And then once I'm done, post it. And there is that one. The next one we're going to go to is a lesson. So this time I'm going to manage a lesson. I pre-created a lesson on bullets. So again, I'm searching just as I did with skills. And in this case, I'm going to highlight my bullets over here to go along with it. And I'm going to post that. So this will take them to the lesson. And also I have included a link on how, best practices on how to include bullets into a document. So I can have both those things right there. The last type we're going to go over is a text message, and that's exactly what it is. Simple, a text message. Good start. See me next class. Post. This concludes the tutorial on adding comments in Kaizena. There will be another tutorial on how to create skills and lessons.